welcome to Truck and Travel. I'm Derek.
I'm Simon.
We're headed back to Cleveland again, but we're not getting a container this time, you guys. Where are we getting?
Steel plate.
What? And how much that sucker weigh?
15,632.
So it weighs a little bit. it weighs a lot for us, but trying to turn off my phone here. There we go. Yeah, it's off. We had to stop at Love's here in, where's this at? This says Mansfield, Ohio, or somewhere close to it, I suppose. I don't mind Love's coffee. I like to get the Love's dark coffee. See, there's Chillicothe, Ohio. Yeah, we're pretty close to Mansfield. Yeah, we're really close to Mansfield.
Oh, I put the receipt in here. No wonder. I'm like,
But yeah, me and Cinnamon ended up both getting coffee. I don't know how many. I don't think I probably got about 4 hours left of driving yet today.
Belleville, Ohio.
There you go. That's what's up.
You gotta say it like that's what's up.
That's what's up. All right.
I already burnt my tongue on it though. I thought I cooled it enough, but
You want to use some of my water to put in it?
no, because then it'll get too cold. And I hate it when it's like McDonald's fries when I used to eat them.
Okay.
You cannot eat them when they're cold. They're absolutely awful.
And you can't reheat them either.
No.
Unless you use an oven, an actual oven.
Yeah.
You know, that's a game changer.
Put some sea salt on them.
I don't know if you guys can see my ELD right there, but I use an iPad, whatever that is, and I usually keep trucking, and you can see that right there. Keep trucking. I got 4 hours and 9 minutes left.
I forget which social media it was, but someone was talking about using a different ELD or what ELD we like. We use to keep trucking. We like it. Like there's.
Yeah, so far so good. I think.
No complaints really about it.
Well, I will say that it seems like it's supposed to mark down what town you're in, and there's times where it doesn't mark down the town.
It says like.
Or the wrong town. So that I don't like that. I will say that. So I don't know if that's the actual ELD having a problem or what's going on.
Yeah,
so,
you definitely have to check that. Sometimes they'll be like 6.7
Well,
miles northwest of this. It'll give your.
It's cool if it does that, if it's accurate, but if it doesn't give the accurate place, then that's bad.
Yeah. Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Well, it didn't give the right one when we were home.
Yeah. Well, usually it says it doesn't give us our town; it gives us like some place. But,
What's up?
nope, he's doing a U-turn.
I'm like, I just said hi.
You just flipped him off.
I'm not.
You're his
You
easiest.
guys are my witnesses.
You're his easiest ticket of the day.
Oh my goodness. Can you get a ticket for flipping them? Like, not that I ever would or
I think
anything,
so.
but
Find out. Try it.
hey, you're not allowed to fly the bird in this zone.
Yeah, this
Here's
is
a ticket.
no fly zone here for birds. Here we go. We got. It says we'll get there at 8:30 p.m. and it's currently 6:50 p.m.
Hour 40.
It is now. Today is Friday for us, so this video is most likely going to be a day behind.
I don't know why I was about ready to say what I was going to say, because you're going to see this video after. You guys are going to see this Saturday. I was going to be like, make sure you stay, like, later tonight we're going to do a live.
Yeah. Next Friday.
Yeah.
Turn left on I-71,
Look
then
up our
take the
channel
ramp
on-
ahead.
Look up our channel on YouTube, our other one, Truck and Travel Live, and then you can see us Friday nights if we do it. We try to.
By the way, tomorrow, or maybe a little bit later today, if we have time, I'll be on social media and we'll be answering together questions and stuff, but it's kind of funny there, just recently there was 2 different people who messaged us saying that they saw us like on the road.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
That's awesome.
One was in Oklahoma.
One was in Oklahoma.
Near Lawton, and then another one was on
71.
Interstate 71 in Ohio.
Which we're about ready to get back on.
Yeah,
We've been
actually.
doing this route
Yeah,
pretty consistently.
probably about 90% of this week we've been getting shipping containers. We're going for it because we're empty and we're like, alright. Feels like a race car when this thing has no load.
Take the ramp ahead to I-71 North toward Cleveland.
Thanks, Betsy. So it's kind of funny though, also because we had never done a container before, and we did 5 of them,
Yeah.
like in a row.
I kind of
This
like the idea of doing a bunch of them, so it's kind of like training for it because it's good to have repetition of something.
You get it down more, yeah.
Yeah.
And it's not like so much time in between where you're like, wait, how did I do that again?
Yeah, and right now I feel comfortable with them, where I feel like I could do them all the time.
Does that look foggy in your rear view? Like, or like in the side mirror?
Continue
you know what I
on
mean? Like,
I-71.
But right now we don't want to do a bunch of them because we can't go the speed limit. Like we can't go 70 miles per hour with a container. I think it's mostly because of how much wind it's, taking on like a sail on a boat, and it's just too much because we've hauled that weight before, and I don't feel like we don't have that much trouble, but all the temperatures go up, the transmission temp, the oil temp, the coolant, and so most of the time when I have a shipping container on these little hills, I'm doing about anywhere from 59 miles per hour to 65. It just depends on the temperature. And
Yesterday we were doing 59.
there's some deer.
Oh yeah.
Today I was doing about 65, and the temperature outside is currently 64, and that's what it was earlier. So if that gives you any idea of the situation, we have a 410 rear end gears, and this is a 6-speed automatic. So
Do you think that microphone, like, if it's bouncing, that they're gonna hear that?
yes,
Do you think I should hold it?
no, because then it'll just be your voice.
Okay, we'll have to see how the audio is. This is definitely like a
This is a new
trial and
setup.
error
Yeah.
type,
So if you can't hear us, I'm sorry, or if it sounds bad,
We
this
gotta
is what we
work it
got
out.
right now. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a process.
The process.
It's a process. Money ball.
Oh, I hope your trip's okay. Look at the leaves, guys.
Yeah, they're turning. Are they turning yet in your state?
There's red. Oh, that's pretty.
It seems like most of the trees here in Ohio are green. There's a lot of trees that don't have leaves.
Because of the winds that have been really acting up lately.
That's true.
But it's sad because usually this is what always happens, is that all of the leaves will turn, and then as soon as everything's beautiful, there's like one day where like the wind is incredible, and the next day there's like no leaves on any of the trees, and then it feels like winter, and then it starts in and it stinks.
Yeah. Well, it's gonna feel like winter hits the next day just because right now it's 64 degrees and it's October,
Mm-hmm.
and like a couple days ago,
It's
it
usually
was,
not that warm.
a couple days ago it was like 80 something. So
Yeah, it was 83.
Yeah.
Crazy. Oh, it's beautiful.
yep. So we got about 78 more minutes or 78 more miles until we get to Cleveland.
I was gonna be like, wow, how did you just look at the time and just like
No.
78 minutes? Like, I've never heard you say that before. Instead of like an hour, and
Oh,
you know what I
yeah,
mean?
Yeah. It's 55 minutes past 6.
You know what I used to do when I would run on the treadmill?
Run.
Yeah. You got it.
Nailed it. Got him.
I would look at the different numbers and I would try and think of equations where it could equal the third number. Like, so if it was like obviously like 1, 2, 4, like a minute 24, I'd be like,
Look at that tree.
1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. If that makes sense. Oh, it's beautiful. So it was raining a bunch today.
Don't feel
like,
you always
on
have
and
to
off.
talk.
No, I was thinking about what else I wanted to say.
Okay.
Because I posted a picture on Instagram of the windshield with some rain. And it's funny because it had just started and then after I posted it, then it like downpoured. I'm like, man, that would have been a better picture to complain about. Like, because I don't want to sound like I'm complaining about the rain.
All
Because
the
someone
time.
said that there was a good, that made a good point that, you know, at least it wasn't sleeting or anything like
Oh
that.
yeah, thank
Yeah.
God. I'm not ready for that.
I have to make sure I don't wear my glasses on days like that.
The rain was really bad though today. It downpoured really good a couple different times. But I think that storm is pretty much south of us, and we're not going to go back to that general area it's going. So that's good.
It looks pretty big on your phone.
So after this load, do we have anything, or is this it as of right now?
After this load, we're good.
No.
Wait, what do you
mean? Do we have another load lined up or no?
Yeah.
We do?
Yeah.
What is it?
That one was that piece of machinery. It's only going like 70 miles.
What machinery is it?
It is. A drill attachment.
Okay.
He said it's a Great Plains 3P606NT. If you want to look at the picture.
When you said machinery, it made me feel like it was going to be like a
Oh no!
tractor. Or
I asked
something.
how he loaded it, and he said with forklifts.
Yeah. I just don't want to use the ramps.
The ramps,
Yeah, they're heavy.
and they're not very good. When
Well,
your dad was doing the mower on there.
They're, I don't know what you want to call it, your divots, maybe, I don't know, but you bounce really good when you drive on this thing, and my dad drove his mower up it, and it was just the best. I felt like he about died just because of the possibility of that sucker flipping over him, but
It was moving so bad.
before he hit the end, the mower went off the ramps, but luckily it wasn't high enough to where it would have tipped over on him. So, but he had to feel that landing the next day.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we don't take any loads that require use of the ramps just because we just don't feel very safe about it.
Well, not necessarily just that, but I don't want to pull them out and put them in. It's a lot of wear and tear in the body. And
Those suckers are heavy.
I'm not going to have Cinnamon do it either.
Hey, bud, you need to go.
The first load we did, we used the ramps though. They were going to try to, well, they did pull one off with the ramps.
Oh, the Florida one?
Yeah,
The airport?
I haven't put that video out. I haven't decided if I'm going to, just because there's a lot of audio missing from it.
Did I not turn on the mic?
No. That's why I keep on asking you.
Yeah, I got it now. Like, that's actually the second thing I do.
But, anyways, they backed up some kind of little vehicle, like a UTV or whatever you want to call it, and hooked up to this luggage rack. They used the airport, so it was actually an airport, and they pulled it off, but they didn't do it with the next one. I think they scraped on it on the bottom or something on the ramp. I don't know. I can't remember. But it was cool. There's their fog.
Green
good.
giant. Man, it is foggy.
Yeah.
Look at that. You can barely see what's past that sign. See, it's kind of funny because like going through Ohio, some, like certain parts of Ohio are so flat. It doesn't really feel like there's anything interesting to look at. But going around like this area, you can see like the pretty trees, and the trees make it look like there's mountains in the distance. But
It's
there's
more
really not.
foresty over here.
Yeah.
This part in southern Ohio, it's really, I like southern Ohio a lot.
Isn't like Millersburg? Isn't that in Ohio where they have like Amish country and stuff?
There's a lot of,
I think it was
Amish.
Millersburg, like where we were at that one time.
I think so,
They
in
got,
eastern
like,
Ohio.
popcorn and stuff. Yeah. You ever go into an Amish place, get the blue popcorn? It's like bigger kernels. If you make homemade popcorn, best.
We
That,
like
by
them.
the way, is not allowed on keto. But
Yeah.
Derek said that
I'm
he
doing
doesn't
it.
care.
Yep. They took away my pop. They took away my Reese's cups.
But they won't take away.
They took away my ice cream.
Yeah,
Took
but,
away my Red Bull.
but we grab that back sometimes. We've been
Oh.
good this week. You haven't had any cheese.
When did we start?
Hard.
When did we really get into it? About
Tuesday.
mid Tuesday. Yeah.
We haven't had cheese Tuesday.
I better
Thursday.
I better have lost 10 pounds. I'm so.
If I didn't lose at least 1 pound, I'm eating cheese with you at home. Well, I'm gonna do it on Sunday.
I told her I'm either doing the diet or I'm not. I'm not flip flopping every other day. So.
Because we'd be doing the diet, and then we'd be at the gas station, and I'm like, Derek, I really,
Yeah.
really want this. I want
So-
some Skittles, passion fruit Skittles.
So it's either.
And then we'd
Yeah.
both get something bad, and then we'd feel like crap. So he doesn't want to keep going from doing it and then feeling like crap to,
Well, plus I don't want to be doing it and wishing I could eat something, and then we're feeling like crap because we're not used to eating it. Because that's what really makes you feel like
so you
crap.
can't really enjoy it.
No, you can't enjoy it. No, and yeah,
So when he says, either we're doing it or we're not,
yeah,
I'm gonna say, we're gonna have to do it then.
Yeah.
That's kind of you putting your foot down and me
I
being like,
know.
okay,
yeah.
I won't talk you into being bad anymore, and you can't talk me into being bad anymore.
No.
You said something about that shake at that one rest stop.
Shake.
But I'm like, oh, that shake looks good. You want it? Yeah, I know that you were okay with it.
I don't think I was okay with it. I think I was just giving you a hug. What the shake?
It'll look good too. Man, they really know how to advertise stuff. And I don't know if you noticed this or not, but the place that we got Subway at today, right when you walked in, I could smell chocolate.
I couldn't.
Oh, I could. It was fantastic.
I could just smell truck stop.
Chocolate.
What we mostly been eating? Tell them what we've been eating for breakfast.
For breakfast, we've been, if it's Hardee's or something like that, we get like the sausage and egg biscuit, but we don't have a biscuit, so we've just been eating the middle part, so it's
Yeah.
sausage and egg. And so we had McDonald's this morning, and we got, we
Muffin.
ordered the sausage egg muffin, and then we added an extra egg and an extra sausage, and no bun.
Yeah.
So they put like 2 piles of 2 eggs, 2 sausages, 2 eggs, 2 sausages, in a thing for us. And it was around $12.
Horrible, isn't it?
Which, when we would stay at hotels and stuff like that, the difference between a hotel that was still nice, but didn't have breakfast, you know what I mean?
But
The difference was about $30. So if you think about that,
but you gotta think about the amount of eggs and bacon we would throw on our plate.
we would do a
And
lot
plus
of
they
bacon.
had strawberries most of the time,
Yeah.
bananas. Even though bananas isn't really.
It's not keto, but if you're gonna take up your carbs, it'll take up 19 of your weight. An
It'll
apple
take a
and
good.
then-
It'll
and
take
a
up a good
banana
amount of your
one,
carbs,
16 minutes, 19,
and
but
it's a healthier carb than bread, right?
yeah.
There you go. Simplified.
But-
Simplified. Simplify.
But still, you could get 2 bananas at the gas station for $1. So then that would be 13 something. You know what I'm saying?
But I don't eat bananas at the hotel, I'm just saying.
And you didn't eat the strawberries either. So
I just load up on eggs and bacon.
yeah, the bacon was good.
I mean, if you would eat, how many McMuff or whatever you call them, muffins, would I have to get to equal the amount of eggs I get? About 4 or something.
I was gonna say 3 or 4.
Yeah. So I mean, my meal alone at a hotel is like $12.
Yeah, that's true.
And then there's yours.
Then when we go to Subway, they have like the steak and cheese or Chipotle Southwest.
It's
steak
a
and cheese
Southwestern,
sub,
yeah.
and we get it as a salad with no cheese. And like even the guacamole that it comes with, we have them throw that in there too. And we get an extra scoop of that and an extra portion of meat, and then we split it.
Yeah.
And that's been pretty good. And then we usually
I don't think it really fills us up because we don't get a single person's serving of salad, but I don't think I want that much. I think it'd be nice just to have a little bit more, but
yeah.
it's just hard to get. But that guac is supposed to help out with that, right?
Yeah, guac is the fat part, so it fills you up.
It's kind of neat that it looks really foggy out, but it's not low enough to do
Make it
anything.
impossible to see.
Yeah, doing anything for visibility.
I'm going to. Oh.
Can you turn that off?
I don't know how to. Okay, here we go. I'm either gonna put this picture. Oh, is it blurry?
Why don't you take a picture of the trees outside? Are you going to take a picture of our setup?
Yeah.
Say cheese, you two, my road warriors. Why?
I hope I didn't blind you guys. Sorry.
That's awkward. How'd that turn out?
Aw, it's blurry because it's bouncing in here.
Let's see what you got. Post it anyways.
Okay.
Just post our setup. Our
Working on our setup.
well, doing a video headed down or headed up to Cleveland. How about that?
Sounds
Then
good.
if you guys are following us on Instagram, you can tell us you've seen us take the picture. Hashtag blinded by the light.
I'm putting that too. I hate how my phone always tries to correct it.
Oh yeah.
Ah! There is 76,000 people have used that hashtag.
I figured it'd be a good one.
That's funny.
Feel pretty good about it. Hashtag GoPro.
Don't separate those 2 words. So, stop it.
Man, earlier the state troopers were really out in force.
Wasn't there like 3 in a row?
Yeah, three in a row within a mile. You can see all 3 together. They weren't spread out that far at all. They was on a mission today, buddy. Right now we got the cruise set at 69, so if we go down the hill, we might not speed. Let us know down below if the cops are bad in your area. Want to do me a favor?
Yeah.
Want to turn on my phone?
I haven't shared it yet.
Once it turns on and try to connect it to this GoPro, we'll see how the visibility is, if it's bad or not.
Okay.
I just don't want the video to be going for you guys if it's going to be hard to see anything. You flip it upside down for right now while it's got that bright crap. Thanks.
Share it on our Facebook page. At Lori. Sorry guys. Sorry them.
Is phone. Alright, now there's going to be a GoPro app. You remember what it looked like that I went to?
Nope, but I'll find it.
It's gray. Gray and black, I believe. Gray,
There it
black,
is.
and white, yeah. Alright, she open up.
On the screen that I don't. Hold on. GoPro Derek or DKG2?
That one.
The DKG?
The two. Is there a blue
It's
thing?
working.
It's working. They don't have a question, just hit later. I really like this part of the highway. It's really nice and smooth right here. It's not real bumpy. The road's not beating the crap out of us. There.
You can still see. It's actually wider on the camera.
Okay, that looks good. So that you can see outside really good.
Yeah.
What happens if I do this? You can just see us more, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Well, what does that look like? It's not bad. We can keep it like that. Well, I'm just gonna turn this off just for. What does that look
We're
like?
mysterious. No.
Oh, okay.
You want me to turn this off? Or keep it on to see like when it starts to get too dark?
Yeah, we can do that for right now.
Oh, you just turn it on your phone so it's like, hey.
All the email is catching up.
Yep.
Well, at least you guys can still hang out with us and ride. I was afraid that I wouldn't be able to see what's going on outside.
Yeah, it's getting more fun.
It is getting foggy here. Man, earlier today we seen a state trooper in a car pulled off to the side of the road. Don't go in. You see this I thought he was going to go right between them. It still was pretty dangerous what he did, but anyways, there's a car right in the woods. Like it must have went straight off the road, straight into the woods over here, and the back end was just even with the outside of the woods, so it got shoved in there. The windows looked like they were busted out. So I don't know what was going on with that. It's pretty creepy.
Yeah.
Hopefully everybody's okay.
A lot of like new cars pulled over on the side of the road, and then there was a lot of people pulled over by cops today, and then there was that accident. Was it light flight that we saw?
No, I don't know what kind of helicopter that was.
Because it went like this way, and then it was kind of away from the highway, which we were all like really slow going, so we thought it was light flight, but then it went this way, but then it turned back around and came back around again, and then was going back around this way too. So there was a fugitive who was trying to catch or something.
Maybe.
We can make up our own story. Make it interesting.
Well guys, I think this is probably a good time to end the video. Let us know what you think about this camera angle, this view, and ride along with us inside the truck. We do appreciate you following and subscribing to our channel and leaving us a thumbs up and leaving the comments. We are all grateful for it all. Again, try to look up Truck and Travel Live, and on Fridays we try to do a live video on that channel, so that way we can interact with everybody live, and we usually try to do that around 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. roughly. It starts around between those times, Eastern. But thank you so much, you guys, just for watching the video. That means the world to us. It's pretty entertaining, and it blows us away to think that anybody wants to watch us. So we appreciate you keeping us company, and if you're out there on the road, be safe, and if not, I just hope you guys have a great weekend, and God bless you guys.
Cheers.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys see this. Cheers.
See you guys.
I wanna drive a faster car, nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.